Hello and welcome to Fix Development and Maintenance YouTube channel. So in this channel what we're going to do is we're going to give you a really raw insight into the front and back end of how this company runs. We're going to show you the good, the bad and the ugly. So stick around to the end of this video, we've got a really exciting giveaway. But anyway, we're going to head over to site now and show you exactly how we run things. So we're on site now, we're in North Therapy. We're going to head on in, show you what the projects that we've got on here are, and just tell you a little bit more about how the runs of the company are. As we mentioned, front and back end. Let's head in now. You can see that Ryan's just on with some building works. We'll remove some wooden panelling, and Ryan's going to be bricking up an area, installing a PVC door. So we'll show you that. But we'll head inside now, show you what internal works we've got going on. Boot covers or shoes off in all properties. It's paramount for us, that's one of the standards that we set. You can see here that we've actually removed the flooring already. This was a tiled floor, supplied and tiled. That's all been removed now by Rich and Mike. So even though that's a hard floor, we've got a carpeted area here. We're going to head upstairs now, see how the legs are getting on. Watch the holes in my socks there. So if we just head into the first bathroom, obstacle course here. In here, it's a brand new bathroom. We've not been part of that. That was done a couple of years ago for the customer now. But what we've done is a freshly plastered ceiling. So we've miscoated and given 2 coats of emulsion to this. Everything, as always, nicely taped up. And give it a nice beaded cork just to finish it up. In the loft hatch here, we're going to put a nice trim. So we've just got some wooden trim that we're going to put on today. Nick's going to be on with that very shortly. It's just staying out of shot now. And then we'll turn around and we'll head to the other bathroom. In here, fully prepping all the walls, ceilings, woodwork. I'm going to give it all a really good prep, and then it's all going to be painted back up. We've said due to the condition of the walls, customer, it's never going to be back to its best, but we'll keep you up to date with that. Just in a little downstairs WC, it's all been taken out now, so it's been removed, isolated, first fix. We've got a close couple back to the wall. If you just come in here, close couple back to the wall, toilet going in here, everything is going to be removed, reboarded, re-skimmed. And from there, yeah, close couple back to the wall toilet, and then we've got a 450 vanity basin that's going to be going here. It was a corner basin tucked right in the corner, obviously, so we're going to create a little bit of additional space here for the customers just to store the bits and bobs. We've got a central heating pipework that runs down the wall here. Just as we're doing a full job on this, what the customers asked for is just to make sure that that's tidied up, so we're going to box that in and make sure that that's nice and neat. Flooring we've already mentioned, and then if we head out the back, we'll show you exactly what Ryan, who you saw on the front, is on with and how we're going to be progressing with that. So, as we mentioned around the front, Ryan has removed this wooden panelling area. You can see that this is a storage area, a little bit of an extension for the customer, just keep the bits and bobs in at the side of the property. So we're using these rustic antique bricks to tie back in with what's already been installed. We're going to brick this up and going to supply a new PVC door. No windows, no glaze or anything like that. It's just going to be a blank door for security reasons. So it's like Christmas down on site today. We've got our ITS or ITS, if you want to be posh, delivery. All right, so we're going to get it unboxed, show you exactly what we've got. You can see it's Festool. But we're going to show you exactly what it is, how it works. I'm going to hand over to the brawns of the company to show you exactly what's going on here.
The next morning.
Right, so we're just going to make a quick phone call to an estate agent. There's a unit that we're looking at, a mixture of a commercial and residential unit that would be looking at purchasing through Fix. So we're going to pick the phone now, have a chat with them. Apparently they've had an offer already, so we need to just get a bit of a lowdown and see if we can make our figures match. So let's see what they say. So you've had an offer, have you, on? Right. Yeah, no, that's understandable. That's understandable. Obviously, I appreciate you're not able to say how much. But if I went in at what sort of, say, one Well, let's put that forward in the first instance. Well, yeah, sorry. Well, whatever one will put me in pole position at the lowest offer, really. So a little update on the bid that you just saw us pop in for the new premises. Unfortunately, it was rejected. We had a figure in mind that we was going to stick to, and the winning bid, or whoever was to bid against us, was actually a cash buyer. So unfortunately, in this instance, we wasn't successful, but we'll keep our eyes peeled for the next opportunity. So anyway, onwards and upwards, we keep riding. We're going to head on to one of our other sites now. It's actually just one of the suppliers that we're working alongside on a quote for a full bathroom renovation for one of our commercial side of things. So we're going to head across there now, meet Simon, have a quick catch up with him, just get a bits and bobs. Going to try and find out if we can get a few samples to present to the commercial customer. So we'll keep you updated. So we're just meeting with Simon now, who owns Vinyl FX, who's going to be supplying us our panels. We're at the latter stage of this tender process at current for the commercial customer we've mentioned. So Sam's just going to run over with us exactly what it is we're going to be looking at supplying for this job.
So these are our two chosen MFC laminated boards for the job. We've got a natural hickory, which is like an oak effect, and U708, which is a light grey. These are going to be cut and edged so that they're sealed for water ingress and installed in the toilet refurb.
So we're finished on site now with Simon, so we can present these now alongside our CAD drawings, and hopefully we'll get the final stage over the line, and we can keep you in the loop with progress on that job. But it's always nice just to have a sit down with other business owners and companies that we work alongside, just to find out their journey and what they've got going on. So yeah, we'll keep you posted. So as you can see on this site, the lads are well underway with painting all the sills on this property on Priory Road in Hull. So what we've got all the masonry is going to slate grey, and that is Santex. So then we've got a little bit of small section of woodwork that Rich and Cal are just getting on with filling now, which is going to make this area good. Build it all back out because this was all rotten away. So we've applied some wood hardener to strengthen the existing woodwork. Apply the 2-pack filler, and then we're going to just build out to that to try and get some of that shape back to what its original feature. It's not going to be perfect, but what we've got the deck pane. That's all getting exactly the same colour. It's a steel grey, so we've got all that mixed up at our merchants, got that to site, and as you can see, we're a few feet above ground now, just checking on works and seeing how the lads are getting on. Right, so we've come to the end of our first video. Thank you for tuning in. We've got some really exciting content coming your way, so don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date with everything Fix. Now, the moment you've all been waiting for, the £200 giveaway of Amazon vouchers. All you have to do to be in with a chance of winning is to make sure that you like and subscribe this video. The doors for this competition are going to open at 6 PM this evening. I'm going to close them next Monday at 6 PM. We'll announce it in our next video. So to be in with a chance, make sure you like and subscribe this video and stay up to date with next week's video. See you later.